Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find subscript and superscript text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show find subscript and superscript. Now, go to the home menu option, then click for find option. Now, we show the new interface from side. Now select from find and replace, then search from firstly subscript text. Now select from two. Now go to the home menu option, then click for superscript text. Now click for find text, then we show find subscript text. Then again select from two. Now click for superscript, then click for find option. That is, now you can see find text superscript. Then you show find subscript and superscript text in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.